Welcome to Born Cottage. So the beautiful container house you are watching on the screen. This is a 2-bedroom container house designed with balcony. In this video I'll share the complete floor plan with all the sizes and details, so keep watching the video. So this is the floor plan of the house. There is a 40 feet 2 shipping containers. The total area I have taken is the length is 40 feet in meter 12.19 meter and the width is 16 feet in meter 4.87 meter. In the front we have sliding door here. After that we'll go inside. So we have living area. You can see here the sofa arrangement, chair arrangement, tea table arrangement and TV unit, and we have large size window for ventilation and light purpose. And on the left side we have kitchen area. You can see here the kitchen cabinet with burner, sink and refrigerator arrangement, and on the back side we have common use washroom plus water closet. You can see here the wash basin, water closet and the shower area, and we have ventilator for ventilation of this washroom. And if we go on the right side of the house, so we have 3 feet wide passage here. You can see here large size window also, and on the right side we have bedroom number 1 here. You can see here the bed arrangement, wardrobe arrangement, and we have a sliding door for access the balcony area. And if we go on the right side, so we have bedroom number 2 here. You can see here the bed arrangement, wardrobe arrangement and large size window for ventilation and light purpose, and a attached washroom plus water closet. You can see here the water closet and the shower area, and we have ventilator for ventilation of this washroom. And if we go on the balcony area, so we have chair arrangements and sliding door and a large glass panel for ventilation and light purpose of this cozy balcony area. So this is the floor plan of the house you are watching on the screen. If you want your house design, so comment below. If you like the video, keep watching the video. Stay tuned with my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks.